NJ Lash Extension Salon aims to educate readers and clients on proper aftercare. Licensed esthetician and owner Ash Santiago shares some tips with her clients about how to take care of their eyelash extensions. If you have eyelash extensions, do not pick at them. By cleaning them regularly, they are kept clean and last longer. Their goal at this NJ Lash Studio is to keep our clients safe and provide them with proper advice and knowledge about eyelash extensions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. To learn more, click the link in the description. Keep up to date by subscribing.